Lego Town event that's not open to
Two cookies, and I don't have any.
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
And you're dead. Roll over. Good girl, Stormy. Come here. Stand. Big. Big. Big.
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
Or a fox. Fun.
What did I say? No.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Oh, hello.
If cats didn't like you, you wouldn't stand a chance at getting a turn here.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Please.
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall!
Oh my god. Hey buddy, I can't let you outside.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Like a bigger end and a smaller end. Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
Looks like kiddos struggling to choose between catching the ball and maintaining that famous feline skillfulness. The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh my god, no! Cause she looked.
You're gonna fall!
What are you doing?
I'm just sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever. Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
No snack.
I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No, ma'am.
Shouldn't have been playing with the wrapper.
What did you bring me for?
It's official. Oh.
Go on, ma'am.
Boxing poses. Definitely not a coincidence. This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Oh? Ow!
Guess who closed the door on themselves and then wagged their tail as if it's who? Oh no.
Hello.
Sila lang.
No, jiga. Oh, yung memo.
Yung mga magahay, abrigat jiga.
Yeah.
Is it time for smelling salts? What's this? Oh!
Put the cat down! Senna, put her down! It's not funny!
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magna!
Look at the cat.
Not sure how you carried that up, but must be some real brain work to save the muscles, huh?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh, you're gonna fall! Ah!
What the hell?
I decided to quit work.
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test. Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
I'm a monster.
I don't think.
Lord have mercy.
Very sore, isn't it? Yeah. Look at that. And then it's a miracle.
Okay. Yeah, that's the stairs. Oh my.
Can you help me? Can you help me put that in there? Can we make it fit?
It's pistachio ice cream.
Miss Johnson.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Oh.
I told you it was a little kitty.
I
thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
You get that? Careful. Buddy's as dedicated as if he actually understands the job and can create real value for Human.
Stay. Stay.
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
Huh?
That's her. Good boy.
Wychowana wśród zwierząt. Masz przyjaciółkę, ale nie musisz jej koniecznie lizać. Chociaż czysta jest.
Smells tuna.
What?
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Deliver sweet.
Oh no.
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want a hat? Ping.
One time only, get it, Vivo! Race to the ice limit!
Looks like someone is.
Where do you think you're going? She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
What the just happened?
Hi. Wanna say hi?
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you! I know that. Look at.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
I am holding a
a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen.
Yeah!
Okay, racers, are you ready? On your mark, get set, go! Oh man! We're gonna go!
The choice is yours.
Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. You like it?
What? Corn cob my ear. Thank you. Go ahead. Corn cob.
Happy one.
You're what?
Ryan.
Why are you still peeing? Magno!
Привет.
Mimi? Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
As fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck.
You know.
이게 뭐예요? 이게?
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
All that to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
Yeah, when he was in Georgia playing for Tom Brady, that was one.
Trick or treat.
What? The dog! Fish flew right above you, huh?
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Sassy. Oh.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.